How to delete multiple contacts on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you guys can delete multiple contacts on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your phone app, then head over to your contacts. On your contacts, actually you won't find any options to select your contacts here. You won't find the select button. You won't find anything that will enable you to multiple or mass delete any contacts. But there is a trick that you can use. While using just one fingers, you'll basically scroll between your contacts. But when you use two of your fingers, you can select multiple contacts like this. And after you select multiple contacts, you can keep on doing that and long press on it. After you long press on it, you'll find the delete 7 contacts option here. So simply tap on delete contacts, and when you tap on delete contacts, you'll have deleted multiple contacts at once on your iPhone. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.